How to make 200K selling ebooks with AI. Welcome to our video on one of the most intriguing and lucrative ventures of the digital age, making $200,000 selling ebooks with the power of artificial intelligence. In this journey, we will delve into the fusion of creativity and technology, exploring how authors and entrepreneurs are harnessing AI to revolutionize the ebook market. Chapter 1. The Rise of Ebooks and AI. The story begins with the rise of ebooks, transforming the way we read and publish literature. The advent of digital formats opened new doors for aspiring writers worldwide, eliminating traditional barriers to entry such as publishing costs and geographical limitations. Simultaneously, artificial intelligence emerged as a game-changer across industries, offering capabilities that extend far beyond automation. AI's role in ebook creation starts with content generation. Algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying popular genres, trending topics, and reader preferences. This data-driven approach helps authors make informed decisions about what to write, ensuring their ebooks have a market demand from the outset. Moreover, AI tools assist in writing itself. From generating outlines and brainstorming ideas to refining drafts and improving readability, AI-driven writing assistants enhance productivity and quality. Natural language processing, NLP algorithms, can even simulate the style and tone of popular authors, helping writers craft compelling narratives that resonate with their target audience. Chapter 2. Leveraging AI for content creation. In the competitive world of digital publishing, speed and relevance are crucial. AI allows authors to stay ahead by continuously monitoring market trends and consumer behavior. By analyzing data from platforms like Amazon Kindle and social media, AI algorithms identify emerging topics and niche genres that are ripe for exploration. Furthermore, AI enhances the research process. Traditionally, authors spent countless hours gathering information from multiple sources. AI-powered research tools streamline this process, extracting relevant data and insights with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This enables authors to create well-informed, authoritative content that meets the expectations of their readers. Chapter 3. Personalization and targeting. Personalization is a cornerstone of successful digital marketing, and AI excels in this arena. By analyzing reader behavior, preferences, and demographics, AI algorithms can tailor ebook recommendations, covers, and marketing messages to individual tastes. This targeted approach not only enhances reader engagement, but also increases conversion rates, turning casual browsers into loyal customers. Moreover, AI-driven analytics provide authors with invaluable insights into their audience. By tracking metrics such as reading habits, purchase patterns, and social media interactions, authors gain a deeper understanding of what resonates with their readers. Armed with this knowledge, they can refine their content strategy, optimize their marketing efforts, and build stronger relationships with their audience over time. Chapter 4. Marketing strategies in the digital age. Writing a great ebook is just the beginning. Successful authors understand the importance of effective marketing. AI tools play a crucial role in this process by automating and optimizing various marketing tasks. For instance, AI-powered platforms can analyze market trends, identify high-traffic keywords, and suggest SEO strategies to improve discoverability on search engines. This helps authors attract organic traffic and reach a wider audience without relying solely on paid advertising. In addition to SEO, AI enhances digital advertising campaigns. By analyzing user data and behavioral patterns, AI algorithms can create targeted ads that resonate with specific segments of the audience. This ensures that marketing budgets are spent efficiently, maximizing return on investment, ROI, and driving ebook sales. Chapter 5. Case studies of success. Let's explore real-life success stories of authors who have cracked the code to earning $200,000 and beyond through ebook sales powered by AI. These case studies highlight diverse strategies and approaches that have proven effective in the competitive landscape of digital publishing. Case study 1. Fiction genre domination. Meet Sarah, a sci-fi author who leveraged AI to identify emerging trends in speculative fiction. By analyzing reader reviews and genre preferences, Sarah discovered a niche for dystopian thrillers with strong female protagonists. Using AI for content generation and marketing automation, she published a series of ebooks that quickly gained traction among sci-fi enthusiasts worldwide. Within a year, Sarah surpassed $200,000 in ebook sales, establishing herself as a prominent voice in the genre. Case study 2. Non-fiction expertise. John, a subject matter expert in personal finance, used AI to publish ebooks on wealth management and investment strategies. AI-powered research tools helped John analyze market demand and competitor offerings, allowing him to tailor his content to meet the needs of his target audience. Through targeted marketing campaigns and strategic partnerships with financial blogs, John's ebooks became bestsellers in their category, generating substantial revenue and establishing him as a trusted authority in financial literacy. These case studies illustrate the versatility of AI in ebook publishing, demonstrating how authors from different genres and backgrounds can leverage technology to achieve their financial goals and reach a global audience. Chapter 6. The future of AI in ebook publishing. Looking ahead, the future is promising for AI in ebook publishing. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its capabilities in content creation, marketing automation, and audience engagement. Innovations in machine learning and natural language generation will empower authors to create more personalized and immersive reading experiences, blurring the lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Furthermore, AI-driven platforms will democratize publishing even further, enabling more writers to self-publish and monetize their work independently. This democratization fosters diversity and innovation in storytelling, allowing voices from marginalized communities and underrepresented genres to find their audience and thrive in the digital marketplace. In conclusion, the journey to making $200,000 selling ebooks with AI is a testament to the boundless opportunities created by technology and human ingenuity. As we embrace the digital age, the fusion of AI and creativity opens doors for aspiring authors and entrepreneurs alike. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, the key lies in embracing innovation, understanding your audience, and harnessing the power of AI to achieve your goals in the ever-evolving landscape of digital publishing. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Stay inspired, stay creative, and let AI be your guide to success in the world of ebook publishing.